So what is good, people? Welcome to another investing video. In this video, we are continuing our Investing $1 a Day series. This time we are in episode 29, which means we need to have a minimum of $203 invested into each asset. So jumping right into metals, we can see that metals has not been doing very well over the past couple of weeks. We can see our total investment is $138.31 into gold, $72.28 into silver, for a total put in of $210.59. But if we actually look at the value of our investment, $141.62 for gold, $67.71 for silver, for a total value of $209.33. So if we look at the comparison, gold, we are actually up on gold. We are still up. Gold has been doing fine. However, silver, we are way down on silver. Silver's been taking a huge hit. If we take a look at the chart, we can see that the last time we have put some money into silver, it was over here at 67.74, and then that value has dropped down to 67.71. And it did go up a little bit, but it just kept going up and down, and then it started going down consistently and stayed down from there. Gold, however, is still doing well. It is continuing to go up, surprisingly, even though everything else, all the other metals seem to be struggling right now, including palladium and platinum are both struggling. I mean, palladium is at $800. Platinum is at over $800 as well. We haven't seen it that bad in a long time. So yeah, I don't know what's going up with the rest of the metals, but gold seems to be doing pretty good. So going forward, I might just continue to keep putting stuff into gold. I'm actually thinking about switching my silver over to gold to see if that's even possible. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I'm feeling really good on gold right now. So jumping into stocks, here we are in Robinhood. Overall, we are breaking even for the week. We are just down by 0.2%. If we look at our Bitcoin that we got for free, we are up by quite a bit. So Bitcoin itself is up by 9%, almost 10% over the week. And we actually got $1 free from the Robinhood Earn. And that is now sitting at $1.13. So that puts us up by 12.76% with a 13-cent gain on that Bitcoin. I'm actually thinking about just leaving it in Bitcoin. I will eventually turn it into a stock, but for now, Bitcoin is just doing so well. So I will just leave that alone. If we take a look at the actual stocks, if we go to Starwood Property Trust, we can see that we are down by 0.77% over the week. If we look at our actual return, we are up by $2.21, which is almost a 12% profit on our investment. If we look at the analysis, we can see that we are at 71% by 28%, 28.6% hold. So that has not really changed much. It changed a little bit, but not much since the last time we did a video. We can see that we do have a stock lending payment of 1 cent that came in February 7, just a couple of days ago. Yeah, just 2 days ago that came in, and we have not had a dividend payment since January 16. Hopefully the next dividend will be over 50 cents. But all in all, we are still doing good on Starwood Property Trust. We are still up by quite a bit. I mean, 12% is really high. EOG Resources, and so we are up by 1.54% over the week. If we look at our total return, we are down by $5.74, and that is a total loss of 5.67%. If we take a look at the analysis, it is down to 62% buy and a 38% hold. So it looks like the analysis is not getting better. It's kind of getting a little bit lower, it seems, throughout the week, but I'm going to keep holding on to EOG. I'm not ready to get rid of it yet, and I am going to keep putting money into it until I can get it to 1 full share. If we look at our history, we can see at the end of last month, we did make a market buy. That was from the that was actually from the dividend. So that was a dividend reinvestment. It was 72 cents was the dividend last month, which is really, really high, really good dividend, especially since we don't have a full share. But my move for the week will be to put another $7 into this. We are getting so close to having a full share in EOG Resources. QYLDs, so we are up by 0.68%, so 0.5% over the week. If we look at our total earnings, we've made 59 cents, which is almost a 1% return. So we're basically breaking even on QYLD. We have the last dividend payment came in January 30th, about a little over a week ago, and that was for 59 cents. And that is for how many shares? 3.34 shares. So that's pretty good. 59 cents for about 3.5 shares, which is not bad. I do plan on putting more into QYLD after I'm done putting money in EOG Resources, or maybe even ARMOUR Residential REIT as well. If we look at ARMOUR Residential REIT, we are down by 4.32% over the week. If we look at our total return, we lost $3.78, which is a total loss of 12.4%. So we're not doing good overall on ARMOUR Residential REIT. We did get a stock lending payment at the beginning of February, just a couple days ago. And we did have a dividend payout at the end of January for 34 cents. So it is still a pretty good payout considering we only have 1.5 shares getting that 34 cents. So all in all, we are still just mostly breaking even on stocks. I will go ahead put another $7 into EOG Resources, and I'll keep building that up until we get to the minimum of a share, minimum of 1 share. All right, and that is set up, and so that is going to be our move for stocks. Now, jumping into crypto. So on DEX Finance, the only thing we have on DEX Finance now is just the staking, the US DEX Plus staking. We are at $31.44 here, and we're still earning 10% APR. We have 40 cents, 0.4 cent US DEX earned, and we have a principal release of $1.27. So this has really not been moving much because it's such a small amount in there, but I actually can't really take it out, can't do anything with it. So we'll just keep checking it every week. But most of my crypto is here on Trader Joe. If we look at our Ethereum USDC stake, it's up to $210. I can't remember how much we started with, but I believe $210 puts us up by a little bit. And if we look at the actual rewards, so we've earned $6.88. So it was about 3 weeks ago when I started this current stake. And so we're earning about $2 a week just from that $200 sitting in here. So that is going to put us at around 4% for the month. So this is really good. We're still earning a lot of money, a very huge return from this staking pool. So I do want to put more money into this for our move for the week. However, the only problem with putting more in this is what it often does is sometimes if I put more money into it, it might claim my rewards, and I don't want to mess with my rewards, not yet. I want to put it in for a full month and then see how much I get in my rewards first before I mess with it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remember that I didn't do anything this week. I'm going to hold off, and then next week we're going to go ahead and put $14 into this, and we're going to take the rewards and put it back into the pool as well. By then, we should have $8, a little over $8 in rewards. And so we're going to put the 14 plus the $8 in, and then that will be our move for crypto. So, quick recap. We are up really high on crypto. I mean, this 4% per month that we're earning from Trader Joe is incredible. It's a huge win. I am actually tempted to try out some of the other pools. They do have some other pools in here, and the APRs are looking really high on some of these other pools, but that won't be for a while. I'm gonna wait a little bit on that before I decide to make any moves there. But all in all, we are earning 4% on our crypto. In stocks, we're pretty much breaking even on stocks. Some of them were up, some of them were down, so nothing really changed there. However, in metals, we are down overall. Our gold is up, but our silver is down, so that our silver is down enough to put our overall down. But our overall is not down by much. We're only down by $1, by about $1 overall, so it's not too bad considering how far down we are on silver. So that is pretty much it for this week. I apologize, I haven't done one of these in a while. Been really busy with work and with my other YouTube channel as well. But I'm trying to get back on track with these so that way I can get more money into these investments and grow them faster. So if you have anything you want me to check out, any ideas, go ahead, leave them in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.